Hello guys, Jignesh Jain here. I'm back with another video for our Redmi Note 7 Pro. This is just a bootable version of Android R, nothing much. So basically this is an Android R which has been booted on Redmi Note 7 Pro. Android R is not yet stable for our Redmi Note. So basically you just need, you can just open up the apps and all the basic things. As you can see, this system UI isn't responding and all error would be coming for you. It is recognizing my IMEI number, but I am not sure that it would let us make a phone calls or anything. And yeah, it takes some time to boot up, and around 5 minutes. So in case if you are interested in how to boot this up on your phone, keep watching this video. So to make this thing boot up, obviously you will need a system image of AB if your device is AB. I am not sure that A version has been released or not. So you'll need a Pixel AB GSI image, which can be downloaded easy from Irfan's website. The links would be given in the description if you want to. Other than that, you will need a disable force encryption treble zip. This can also be found on XDA forum. More, you will need a vendor for your device. So I have a vendor for my wallet also. So you will need that. And you will need a permissive version 5. So the thing is very easy. You just need to flash your vendor and boot image. After that, flash the permissive version 4 or 5, whatever you have. And after that has been done, just flash disable treble force encryption. See this one, disable force encryption for treble. And as soon as you have flashed this, just reboot your phone and it would reboot into your recovery. And from recovery again, just reboot it to the system, and the version would be installed your own phone. But I won't suggest you to use it as a daily driver, because I guess more of the things would not be working yet. We'll have to wait for the second build by Pixel devices, so that could be used on this phone. Until then, take care.